as they say, a change is as good as a rest to a blind horse, or something like that. So we're starting upstairs in the Vitapod today for the Monday update. What is it? Oh, 27th of April. As you can tell, not many left. They sold like hotcakes. And downstairs in the Vitapod in the shed, not many tomatoes left. These are the stragglers now. These are the second and third sowings of the ones that were very popular. And the rest are now all potted on, ready to go on Facebook Marketplace, these ones. There's a few more in the greenhouse, we'll get there in a minute. Those broad beans have got to go out very, very soon. A few alliums left. I've done one tray up the allotment. Here's the long purple aubergine, enjoying the spell outside at the moment. Going to need repotting soon, it's getting a bit top heavy for that pot. And some brassicas and cabbage type things. I'm going to have to move these indoors because the whatever I do with them, the pigeons, they just love them. Look, see, been mullered again. That might come back actually. The tomato transplants, well, they haven't died. And if I remember from last year, it took a good couple of weeks for the graft to take. So fingers crossed with them. Chilies, they're under the Spider Farmer 1000 at the moment. I turn this off during the day now. I only put it on towards late afternoon and leave it on the timer. It comes on at 7 in the morning. It would be 12 hours, 12 hours of light, but like I said, I turn it off during the day now. A couple of flowers hiding in the corner there in the Agrilan. There's the Black Beauty aubergines and the giant Bolivian acucha. That's leaping away, that is. The tomatoes in the container-wise 15 cells, they're my own. And the rest are for sale, like I was just saying just now. So they're for sale, they're mine. They're mine, and they're for sale. Looking a bit barren here at the moment. A cucumber, green dragon cucumbers, and loads of herbs. I've got to get these peperoncino chilies or peppers potted up. I've got a plan for these. I'm going to put them in either 4 in one big pot or 2 in 2 pots, not sure yet. More herbs, couple of hanging basket tomatoes, they go as a group. Dahlias and things like that. Tomatillos, nasturtiums, more herbs, more herbs. And right at the bottom down there, are the cucumbers I'm saving myself. In fact, I'm going to have to move those because they're not getting much light at the moment. There we are. That's better. Just move those cucumbers from down in the dark under a bit of light. And that's it for the 27th of April, guys. A few spaces to fill up. I need to get some more things. So the tomatoes, they could do with going outside now, really. It's 8 or 9 degrees at night now. But I might as well use it. Might as well keep them in here for now, just in case. Okay then, that's it for now. Catch you soon.